Hi, good evening, everyone. So, if you joined the live session, live training this morning, or you watched the recording, right, I explained you one low risk strategy using the SPX tag and turn. So, this is mainly for SPX, but we can also use it on ES, NQ, RTY, YM. So, you can do you can do futures on in your personal accounts, or you can do options on futures. So, as I explained this morning, so we were Yes, and Q, they were nearly close to the top. So when market opened today evening, we got the bearish target turn, and there is a huge drop on ES. Right, you can see that target turn detected for ES at 68.39. Now it is 68.26. That means nearly 13, 14 points, even with one contract. That is nearly $600 profit in your personal account. In the same way, you can see TNT detected for NQ at 25,391. So from 25,391, now it is 25,320, nearly 70 point drop. Right? 70 points means nearly $1,400 with even just one contract. So and it can go all the way down. So if it goes all the way down again, and if buyers, big companies start buying, then we'll get a bullish tag and turn. Then we can again get the bull puts. So like that, whenever you see the bearish tag and turn along with T5 confidence, that is the best one. So you got a bearish tag and turn. T5 also gave a sell signal. There is a nice gap here. So this combination is always a best one. So here, for example, here you got a bearish tag and turn, but here your T5 is still bullish. This is still going up. If this is green color, you get a bearish tag and turn. We can wait until you get the next bearish tag and turn. Here you got bearish tag and turn. Then you got a T5 also sell signal. That is the best time where you can short and queue in your personal account. So you can, right, you can see, for example, let us go and see ZL. So you got a bearish tag and turn, and T5 also gave a sell signal. So then there is the best opportunity. So by tomorrow, we'll see a nice drop on ZL. So even if you take one contract in your personal account, we'll make nice profits. Right, so let us look at the soya beans. So here you got a bearish tag and turn, and this one also started turning red, T5. So this is a good opportunity. So where Right, especially this is not for prop firms, but this is mainly for your personal accounts. If you want to trade in personal accounts or you want to do options on futures, you can do bear calls on ZL. You can go up, do bear calls. By tomorrow, we'll see a nice drop on ZS all the way to the midpoint or until bottom. So whenever you get a bearish tag and turn, T5 also gives a sell signal. Those are the best opportunities you can take. So ZT, we got a Here it came to the bottom. Now it gave a TNT on ZT. And here you got a buy signal. So now it will start moving up. For platinum, so now we may see some drop on platinum. Then ultra bonds, we may see some bounce. So as of now, T5 did not give the buy signal. So we have to wait here. So like that, so NQ, you got a sell signal from T5 and you got a bearish tag and turn from tag and turn. So this combination is very good for your personal account trading, where just with one even with one contract, you can make $500,000, $2,000 just even by taking one. Again, whenever you get a bullish tag and turn, you can buy it. Again, you will make 500 to $1,000. So like that, if you want to take a low risk approach where you don't need to keep watching the charts for a long time, this is the best strategy, right? For your personal accounts, whether it is with futures or with stocks or with options. If you want a low risk approach with where you don't need to stress out so much, you don't need to keep watching the charts. This is the best approach where tag and turn along with T5. If you get a bearish tag and turn, T5 should give a sell signal. Or if you get a bullish tag and turn, so here you got a bullish tag and turn. Then when T5 also gives a buy signal, then that is the best time to go long. So always use T5 confluence with the tag and turn for the very low risk strategy, low risk trading where you can hold the trade for 2 days, 3 days like that. So is that clear for everyone? So we also saw right in the morning training we got a on Bitcoin we got a bearish tag and turn. So here right because Bitcoin even on weekends also you will have so you got a bearish tag and turn T5 gave a sell signal. Then there was a from nearly 92,000 came all the way to 90,000. Again you got a bullish here you got a bullish but T5 is still dropping so you won't take this one, right? So you have a bullish tag enter, T5 is still red. So this is not a good signal to enter. Here you got a bullish tag enter, still this one is red, so we won't enter that one. So here you got a bearish tag enter. So just if you put a cursor, you will know whether T5 it is green or red. So here you got bearish tag enter, here you have a T5 sell signal. So that is a perfect, you got a nice confluence. Right here sell signal, here bearish tag enter from nearly 91,827. It went all the way to nearly 85, 86,000, right? $5,000 with one single contract. So it keeps dropping. So if we get a bullish tag and turn, if this turns green, then that is the only time we'll take it. So all you are doing is just watching two different indicators. One is the tag and turn indicator, second is the T5 indicator. This confluence is good enough for you to take buy signals or sell signals. So if you get a bearish tag and turn, T5 is also bearish. That is the perfect opportunity to go short. If you get a bullish tag and turn and T5 also turns to green, that is a good opportunity. Yeah, so you can use it in 1 hour, 4 hours daily, but 30 minutes if you want uh, so if you can also all right from 30 minutes you can use it in any time frame. So always, if you use 30 minutes or more, you don't need to stress out much. If you use it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, again you have to keep watching the charts, right? Because in smaller time frame, if you do it in 5 minutes, maybe within 15, 20 minutes, again it will start dropping, right? When you do it in 30 minutes, minimum 4, 5 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it will continue in the same trend. When you do it in a smaller time frame, you have to keep watching the charts for. So this strategy is very good for your personal accounts. So it just one trade is good enough to get back your money. So if somebody shorted Bitcoin this morning, right, during the training session, that dropped nearly $5,000, 6,000. So one contract would have given you, or with ES or NQ, YM, RTY, if you watch YM. So you got a bearish target. Right? Now let us also look at T5 confluence. So if you put a cursor here, right, if you just go here and put a vertical line, just whenever you get a bearish tag and turn, just put a vertical line. Now exactly at the same time, T5 also gave you an indication that okay, it will drop now. So now nearly 100 points drop or 150 points drop on YM after that confluence. So 150 points into $5 is $750 with one contract. So like that, this is the very, very low risk strategy where you don't need to sweat out, where you don't need to keep watching the charts. So minimum 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, this trend will continue. So it may drop all the way further. So now, whenever you want to do in the prop firm trading, now you know that overall trend is bearish for YM, ES, NQ, RTY. So you will mainly watch for the sell signals. Whenever you want to do trades in 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you want to mainly look for sell signals in the lower time frame, right? Because this TNT along with T5 conference is a good strategy for personal accounts for longer time frames, right? You cannot, if you're trading in prop firms, you cannot trade in 30 minutes. Because if you trade in 30 minutes, one thing you can do is whenever you get a bearish tag and turn in ES or NQ, you can just go and do micros. You take MES short, you take MNQ short, or you take MYM short, like that. So you cannot trade minis in your prop firms because within 30 minutes there can be a lot of up and downs. So instead of trading minis, you can do micros. So because when you do instead of so we got in ES, we got a bearish target, right? And then T5 also. So again, if I go here and then if I place my cursor here, oh, I got a bearish target and T5 gave a sell signal. So that is a good opportunity. But within that 30 minutes, there might be it can go a lot, it can go up, again it can drop. So with prop firms, right, especially if you have intraday trail stop loss, that can be you cannot just take a trade and you cannot just with ES one contract, two contracts, you cannot just leave it like that. So that's where what you can do is whenever you get a bearish tag enter, now instead of taking trade in ES, you go and take two micros. So when you take two micros, you can just hold the trade until you see price going all the way to the bottom. You can just take those two micros, you can hold it. So you don't need to worry about even though it goes up and down, maximum 100, $150, there might be, but overall you will make two, $300. But I hope you are getting it. So one is when you the first step is whenever you get a alert notification on tag and turn, you watch with the T5 conference. If you have a personal account, you can confidently do short with futures or short with stocks or short with options. You can buy the puts or you can do bear calls. That is one strategy in your personal accounts where you are investing your own money. The second way is whenever you get the same signal, if you want to trade in the prop firms, instead of directly trading on the minis, you take the micros and you can hold. You don't need to keep watching the charts for next 3 4 hours. Once you see the alert, just to go and do two micros or two MNQ, two MES, two MYM, and next 3 4 hours you don't even need to keep watching the chart, and you can make $300 400 just with one trade. So I hope that is clear, like how to use it with if you are trading with personal account, you can directly do with minis. If you are trading with the prop firms, because within 30 minutes there can be a lot of up and down, it can impact your intraday trail stop loss. That's why we instead of just holding the trade, then what we do is we just take micros. You take 2 3 micros and you can let the trade uh, go all the way down to book the profits. So that is one way you use SPX tag and turn for prop firms. Then the other strategy which we generally use, right? I hope that is clear for everyone. So for silver, it is SI. So we use for silver, we use SI symbol. If you want to do micros, you have to do SIL. So silver is bullish as of now. So if you see SPX tag and turn, as of now it is breaking out. That means it is going up and up. As of now, you don't have a bearish tag and turn. So as of now, still it is bullish. So if we get a bearish tag and turn, then we can do a short on silver. But as of now, it's still going up further. Right, I repeat one more time. So SPX tag and turn along with T5, good for personal accounts. Whenever you get a notification, you immediately check. Okay, if you get a bearish tag and turn, you also go and see if T5 also gave a sell signal. Or if you get a bullish tag and turn, you go and see whether T5 also gave a buy signal. Right? What do you mean by buy signal? Basically, if you get a green dot, that is a buy signal. If you have a red dot, that is a sell signal. So both the indicators, both the software should tell you the same thing. That is called as confluence. If both the softwares are giving you, so now T5 gave a sell signal, but still here it is still in a buy. It is still going up. So that means there is no confluence. So you have to will not take a trade on silver in your personal account. If this also gives a bearish tag and turn, T5 is also gives a sell signal. That is where you can take a sell short with silver. So that is where you can enter a short trade. But so you always use minimum 30 minutes. If you want more and more quality signals, you can also go for 1 hour, 4 hours. If you go higher and higher, you will have more quality signals, but the the signals will be more less and less. If you increase, so that's why 30 minutes is a good time if you want more opportunities with low risk. Minimum 30 minutes you can we will use mainly 30 minutes time frame. So whenever you want to do prop firm trading using the same strategy, use the 30 minutes. Whenever you get a notification on ES or NQ, instead of taking trades on ES, you go and do micros. That means generally, yeah, if ES gave a sell signal, you just change ES symbol to MES. Right? Just add M before that. And then, okay, now I got a bearish tag and see whether T5 also gave a sell signal. Okay, here I have bearish. That means it gave a sell signal. This I gave a sell signal. Now you can take 2 micros in your personal account and you can hold it for next to 3 4 hours. So like that, that is one strategy. Right. Then we have another strategy for the prop firms where we use, let me log into my, so right, let us delete this SPX tag and turn. So if you want to do prop firm trading, we have another indicator called RC level manager or futures level manager where you can basically every day I share you the levels, daily levels. You can put those levels that will tell you whether we are above the magnetic level, below the magnetic level, all that information. And then, for example, this gave you that you got a swing sell. And here, generally for this prop firm trading, we don't use 30 minutes. We generally, in the evening time, we go with 3 minutes time frame, right? In the Asia market. Whereas in the US market, we go with 5 minutes. So this is the second type of strategy, mainly for the prop firms, right? For personal accounts, your tag and turn strategy is the best one. Whereas for your prop firm accounts, this is a better strategy where you go to a smaller time frame like 3 or 5 minutes if it is US, 5 minutes if it is non-US, right? US market is generally from 8:30 a.m. Central until 3 p.m. Central. That is the time where you use 5 minutes time frame. Whereas any other time, generally you go with the 3 minute time frame. In 3 minute time frame, if the clouds are red, orange and maroon in color, that means the trend is bearish. So whenever you get a sell signal, that is a good opportunity to short. Again, you got a sell signal, that is a good opportunity to short. So whenever the trend is bearish, right? For example, you see, right, the trend when the colors, both colors became orange and maroon, then that is where we can take the sell signals, or that is where we mainly focus on the sell opportunities. So every sell signal is a good opportunity to go short. So whenever we get a next sell signal on ES or NQ or RTY or YM, then we will only, whenever you receive a sell signal, you short it. So if I go to this future scanner, so if something is completely green, right, GC is completely green. That means that is very good one for long opportunities. So you mainly look for the buy signals. Silver is completely green. That means that is silver, gold, they are very good for buy signals. Whereas if first two are red, the last one is green, they are best tickers for the sell opportunities. I hope you're getting it right. Whenever if you want to do prop firm trading where you don't need to invest your own money, then we use 3 minutes in the non-US market. We use 5 minutes in the US market. So when you use 3 minutes in non-US market, so we use mainly two indicators called RLM and future scanner. So if the scanner everything is green, they are good for long opportunities. If these two columns are red, daily level and RSI, they are red color, and the last column is green color, then they are good opportunities for the sell signal. So ES is good for sell, NQ is good for sell, then RTY is good for sell. So mainly these three, you watch out for the sell opportunities. Whenever you get a sell signal, you will make nice profits. Whenever you get a buy, you just close the sell, right? Or you make 100, $200, you take the profits. Again, you get a sell signal, again you make 100, $200, take the profits. Like that. So this is the second strategy for the prop firm accounts. Now let us take some trades, right? Let us just go to GC. So whenever you get a buy signal, that's a good opportunity for gold, right? If the clouds are green and blue, that means it is very bullish. So you got a buy, it moved so much high. Again, there is a pullback. Now it is in a sell. But if we get a buy, you can again go long with gold or you can go long with silver. So now we know that GC is completely green. So whenever we get a buy signal with GC, we can take long opportunity. Same thing with silver. If we get, if you go to silver, you got right, the both the clouds are green and blue. You got a strong buy. That's a very good opportunity. Again, it is dropping. If you get a buy signal, again we can go long. So all we are doing is you watch the scanner. The scanner will tell which ones are good for bullish, which ones are good for bearish. So if something is bullish, that means if all the three columns are green, that is a bullish ticker. You only focus on the buy signals on them. If the first two columns are red, the last column is green, that means those are bullish tickers. Sorry, those are bearish tickers. ES, NQ, and RTY, those are the bearish tickers. So you only focus on the sell signals on those. So now you can also set alerts, right? You can go and set alerts on them, or you just look at one of the tickers, right? For example, I can go to ES, right? ES is overall, but because you it already dropped so much, now there might be a small pullback. So I'll wait for a small pullback. Again, it will drop. So it dropped all the way to the bottom. Whenever I get the Excel signal, we can take the short on ES or short on NQ, short on RTY, short on YM. So for all the indices, mainly we watch out for the sell signals. Whereas for the metals like GC, silver, we'll mainly watch for the buy signals. So let us go to GC. So whenever we get a next sell signal on NQ, that's the best time to short NQ or ES or RTY, YM. All those are looking good for sell opportunities. Whereas GC, silver, copper, they are looking for good for buy opportunities. So whenever if we get a buy signal on copper, right, overall the colors are green and blue. That means there is a bullish ticker, right? Or if you go here and just if you see if this turn all the three columns turn to green color, then this will be a good one, good ticker to go for buy signals. So as of now, GC, silver, natural gas, these are the three tickers which are good for buy opportunities. That means we will wait for the buy signals, right? Because all the three columns are green. Those are the best tickers to go for buy. If the first two columns are red, last one is green, those are the best tickers for short. Also, we'll wait for the whenever you get a sell signal, these are the best ones. So mostly within next 5-10 minutes, we should get a buy signal on copper. Then copper will go all the way up. The same way GC also, we should get a buy signal. Right? I hope it is clear for everyone. Even you can teach it to your kids, you can teach it to your spouse who are completely new to trading. So this is just a rule-based trading, right? And only when the rules apply, then only you will enter the trade, right? If everything is green, you wait for the buy signal. The first two columns are red and the last column is green, wait for the sell signals. If already, right, because already you got a sell here, colors are red and maroon, or either you see the colors or you just see the colors here in the scanner. These two are red, this is green. That means the trend is very strong. So, but we missed the sell signal, right? Because even before we opened the meeting, it started dropping. So we missed taking it. So just we'll wait for some more time, right? It will come down. Then again, it will go a little bit up and again we'll get a sell signal. So whenever you get the next sell signal, we can take the shot, right? If you take a sell signal here, you got a sell signal 30 minutes before and already there is a huge drop. So if you take it here, immediately it may start going little bit up. So that's where you always sell on the rise, right? Your price should be somewhere close to this cloud, then you will make nice profits. Or it should be close to the top when it is bearish, right? You want to always sell high. You always want to buy low. So whenever, because already it dropped all the way to the bottom, we'll wait for a few minutes. When price goes little bit up, then we'll take the sell signal on all the indices. So it's okay, even though you may feel like, oh, I may miss the opportunity, it may drop. That's okay. You'll have lot every day. You'll have a lot of opportunities. There'll be many opportunities. There are so many tickers. So you just wait with patience. Whenever price is close to this swing cloud, that is where, and whenever you get the next sell signal, that is where you want to take the short. So now GC started moving up, and copper also started moving up. So if we get a buy signal with copper, So all the metals, copper, silver, and gold, we want to go long. Whereas ES, NQ, RTY, YM, we want to go short. So whenever you see a buy signal with metals, we can take long opportunities. Whenever you see a sell signal with the indices, ES, NQ, RTY, YM, then we want to go short or even NKD. So the advantage with prop firms is you are not using your own money and then you can scale up as much as you want because right, even though you make 200, $300 in one account, you can copy it into five accounts, 10 accounts, and you can make nice profits. You can scale up. But only thing is, just to follow the strategy. Scanner will tell you which ones are bullish, which ones are bearish. Based on that, if some ticker is bullish, you wait for the buy signal. If some ticker is bearish, you wait for the sell signal. So now we are waiting for the buy signal on GC, silver, and copper. So copper should start going up. Now there is a small bounce on NQ. It may go a little bit up and then we may get a sell signal. And then we want to take short on NQ. So basically you can create alerts because NQ came all the way to the bottom. There will be a small bounce. But because overall trend is bearish, the colors are red and orange, we don't want to go long. We want to go wait for price to go touch this cloud and then again it will start dropping. That is where we want to take the shots. So we can create the alerts. Whenever you receive the alert, you can basically take the strong buy or strong sell, buy or sell. You can create alerts on these two. And whenever you receive a alert, then you watch the scanner. So we are waiting for sell signal on all the indices. We are waiting for buy signal on all the metals. So this strategy is mainly for the prop firm trading. Right? For personal accounts, tag and turn is the best strategy. Or you can use that one and you can do micros. We are waiting for buy signal on copper, gold, silver, and then we can take because the trend is bullish. Whenever some ticker is bullish, then we always want to buy low and sell high. So price went all the way to the top. Then we got a pullback. Now again buyers are trying to take it up. Right? Buyers want to buy at a low price. And as buyers, more and more buyers keep buying it, the price will go further up. So we are waiting for a buy signal on copper, gold, silver. So crude oil is also looking bullish, but already price went so much high. So you want to wait for a pullback. Whenever you get a pullback, we can go long on crude oil. So for ES, YM, RTY, you got a buy signal. But because the colors are orange and maroon, we don't want to take the buy signals. We want to mainly wait for the sell signals. The price tries to go up, then sellers are pushing it down, which mostly yes should drop again. NQ, I'm taking a sell on NQ. I took a short on NQ. Price went there, touched the swing cloud, and again started dropping. So there is a high possibility NQ will drop further. So because it is already in a sell signal, right? You are already in a sell. So buyers try to take little bit up, but there are a lot of sellers here. If the clouds are orange and maroon, that means there are a lot of sellers sitting in this at this price. So then immediately they started taking the price down. So we can take a short whenever you see green candles followed by a red candle. We can do a short here. Okay, can go all the way to 25 to 60 or something. So we can hold the short. Now I am waiting for a buy signal on GC, copper, silver. So mainly indices. Indices means NQ, ES, RTY, YM, NKD. Those are the indices. Metals means gold, silver, copper. These are the main three metals. So metals are bullish, indices are bearish. Crude oil, natural gas are also bullish for overnight today. So yeah, GC came to the bottom, started bouncing. So we may see a buy signal. And then we can take a long position with GC. Silver is looking bullish. So NQ is dropping. ES also should we should see more drop with ES. I took a shot with ES also. So mainly metals bullish, indices bearish. So the strategy is mainly good for your scalping and day trading. If you want more opportunities in a quicker time, this is a better strat. So if you are a more of a full-time trader, you can actively trade. This strategy is good. If you are more of a busy professional in your primary job, then the tag and turn strategy is a good one. So your ES is dropping more. So this made nearly $100, right? ES short. So I can because now you have an advantage where you are copying into 510 accounts. So even if you make $100, that is you can copy into 5 accounts. That is a $500 profit. So we took short on ES and NQ, and we are waiting for the buy opportunities on GC, silver, copper. So you have support here. That means price will come little bit close to this. And closing ES short. Your NQ also you're making profits. Get another $150 with NQ, 170. So I'm taking profits with NQ. So there was a nice red candle, right? It went little bit up. Then whenever this touches this cloud, then it will start dropping. So ES and NQ, we took nice. So we took the sell signals. So now, as I said, GC will start bouncing up. GC, silver, copper, they are good for buy opportunities. So price went up. You got a pullback. Again, it is going up. So we can take a long position on silver. So I took a long on silver. GC is also looking good. So I will take a long position on GC. So we got a buy signal on GC. So we know that metals are bullish, right? Because now GC everything is green, silver everything is green, and you got a buy signal. So it will go. again all the way up. And then we can take profits on the long. So as I said, ES is mainly bearish ticker. You wait for a small pullback, then nice drop on ES. You got a small pullback on NQ, then nice drop on NQ. In the same way, silver, GC. So if you see silver, it made nearly $200. So I'll take profits on silver and another 200 to $25. Okay, now GC will start going up. We'll make nice profits on GC. We already took profit on ES short. We made some 100 $150 with ES short. We made some 150 $200 with NQ short. We made profits with silver. We took the profits on silver. As of now, we are holding GC long. So copper also should go up. So silver, I'm taking long one more time on silver. So I took long on silver one more time. So as of now, we have long on silver, long on copper, sorry, long on gold. So today, entire day, whenever you see a sell signal with ES, NQ, RTY, YM, NKD, you can keep taking the sell opportunities. I'm taking another $325 profit, 375 on silver. And with prop firms, all you're doing is making 200, $300. You copy them into 5, 10 accounts. Then you'll make nice profits. So silver, GC, copper, all the metals are bullish. So copper also will go all the way up. So if I want, I can also. But yeah, GC and silver are much more bullish. So GC started going up. We got a strong buy. Both the clouds are green and blue. So we are just holding GC now. So we took profits on silver long, we took profits on ES short, we took profits on NQ short. We are just holding. So silver can go further up. Mm, Okay, or yeah, let's just close GC and then we can do the setup session. But if you follow a rule-based approach, now you understand how to consistently make profits. Right? Especially in non-US market, it is much more easy because you won't have sudden news or something. It will be little slow, but it will be low risk. Just put some, we got it 76.1. So I took profits on GC long, another 100 plus dollars. So within few minutes, we took profits on EA short, NQ short, GC long, silver long, just by following one strategy, right? One is you went and you saw that tag and turn, ES, NQ, all those are bearish. So we know that overall trend is bearish for indices, trend is bullish for metals. So you waited for buy signal on metals. Whenever you get a buy signal, you took the long, right? Or you watch the scanner whenever all the columns are green, then they are the best tickers for long positions. Then you wait for buy signals on them. So we made over $700-800 within less than 20-30 minutes with ES short, NQ short, GC long, silver long using the RLM or FLM along with the scanner. So that's it. So every time whenever you see a buy signal overnight with GC silver, then you go for long opportunity. Whenever you see a sell signal with ES or NQ, you mainly watch for the short opportunities. So now you got a buy signal. Again, you may get a sell. Whenever you see a sell signal, again you can do a short with NQ. So there are multiple prop firms, right? One of the you can start with, right? If you want to do low risk, you want to start with low cost, then you can use something called Apex or Allied Trader Fund, which are generally less expensive. So I hope everyone is clear with the rules, right? The first rule I already explained today morning. The second strategy, mainly for the prop firms, either you watch for the colors, right? If the colors are maroon and orange, you mainly look for the sell signals, or whenever you have some green candles followed by a red candle, that is like buyers trying to take it up, sellers are in full control now. If the colors are bearish, that means sellers has the control. So whenever it goes up, sellers will push it down. Again, they try to go up, sellers pushing it down. Again, buyers trying to take it up, sellers pushing it down. So you always wait for a green candle followed by a red candle. Then that is the strategy we use for the FLM or RLM. So yeah, here you don't even need to watch for T5 confluence. But if T5 is at the top, that is much better. The other strategy which we looked is the tag and turn strategy, mainly for your personal accounts where you can hold the trade. So here you mainly trade for 30-40 minutes during evening time, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. You make $700-800 every day. You are done, right? Either GC silver will be very bullish or very bearish. If they are very bullish, you mainly watch for the buy signals and you take the trades. Or generally between 8 to 9, if they are looking bearish, you watch for the sell signals, you take the trades. So generally in the evening time, I focus on silver, gold, copper. Some days ES and NQ also, if their strength is good. That means if it is above 20, that means you can also trade ES and Q. So generally metals will be more active, more volume during the Asia market. That's why mainly we focus on silver, gold, copper during this 8 to 9 p.m. Central every day. But some days, if we see the strength is good, we can also do ES and NQ. So today you saw that within 30 minutes we made $700-800. Now you copy it into four accounts, five accounts using replicator. Then you are done for the day. You don't need to make $1,000-2,000 in one account, right? All you are doing is $400-500 every day. You follow the same strategy, whether it is a valuation account or pro account, pro plus account, whatever it is, the strategy is same. If the clouds are bearish or if these two columns are red, the last column is green, sell signal. If the clouds are bullish or if these two columns are green or all the three columns are green, mainly you watch out for the buy signals. So crude oil is good for buy signal, natural gas is good for buy signal, GC is GC, silver, copper, these are mainly good for buy opportunities. ES and Q, RTY, they are good for sell signals. So that's it. That is the same strategy we follow, and you wait for the price to don't try to if it is bearish, always wait for price to go touch to this cloud before you take a sell signal. Right after already dropped so much, don't try to sell somewhere at the bottom. Right, if it is close to this, so you can see it went to this cloud, there was a huge drop. Again, there was a small pullback. Again, there was a huge drop. Again, a small pullback. Again, drop. So always price should be close to the swing cloud. That is where we take the shorts. In the same way, whenever you want to do a buy, it will always comes to the this blue cloud. Whenever price comes to the blue cloud, if it is a bullish ticker, you want to go long. If it is a bearish ticker, you want to wait for price to go touch this orange cloud. It will go to the orange cloud, drop. Again, go to the orange cloud, drop. Again, go to the orange cloud, drop. So your sell should be somewhere close to the orange cloud. Your buy should be close to the this blue cloud. Price went came here, again going up. Again, when if you miss this opportunity, wait for price to come back to this cloud. So that's where it comes with little practice. But once you get comfortable, then every day six, 700, $800 in each prop account, and you replicate into 5 accounts, 10 accounts. As you gain more and more practice, you can replicate with more accounts. So now members, whoever, okay, Pradeep, yeah, if anyone subscribed today, so as I already told you this morning, whether you use tag and turn strategy or RLM, so you have that hotel savings card plan now. So it is like you can test it for 1 month without any risk. So basically, because you are paying $349, you are getting nearly $400 say hotel savings card, which you can save whenever you visit any hotel, not nearly millions of hotels across the globe. So you are getting it like a zero risk. So you can watch for 1 week. You attend these live sessions, and then whenever you get the confidence, you can start trading in the prop firms or personal accounts. Yeah, if you got it on last week, I'll send the vouchers. Uh, so whoever subscribed, you have to provide your name, and then you have to provide your username, and then you let me know if you are someone who is an active trader. Then this RLM, future scanner, T5, those are the three best indicators. If you are someone who is not very active, you want to do then the tag and turn T5 along with FLM. Those are the three best indicators. So whether you want uh, swing trading or you want to do more of scalping day trading, it is up to you. For scalpers, these are the three. This is the best combination: FLM, MTFF, and T5. If you are not a scalper, you are more of a swing trader. Then instead of FLM, you get T5. Oh, sorry, you get a tag and turn. Yeah, so first let me help the members who already subscribed. So VSN8, okay, I'm giving access for VSN8. He said like he is more of an active trader. So he will get a futures level manager, and then so only if you subscribe for the indicators, you provide the details. We'll validate, and if we see that you don't have the subscription, we'll remove it. And then so one trade is good enough for you to get back your $400. So yeah, VSN8, I gave you access for future scan and for our futures level manager and T5. You can just log out and log in. You can see the indicators. So once you log out and log in, you have to go to this indicators, and then you go to invite only, and then you will see all those indicators. So अभी so you will get any three indicators. Which three you want? T5 tag and turn. Yeah, I gave you the access abhi. You can log out and log in. So Soham, you have all the. So if you go to YouTube channel, Right Choice Advisors. So I'll also share you the setup session. Rajesh, you want tag and turn price pulse. So tag and turn you always should use along with the T5 confluence. So I gave you the tag and turn. Silver, you wait for a pullback because it already moved so much. Whenever you get a pullback, you can take long again. So all these sessions are every day recorded and uploaded into YouTube. You will see that 80-90% of the time we make profits. Right? Especially if you do prop firm trading, this is the best time to trade between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central. So for the hotel savings card, please go to the same bot, ninja underscore apex underscore bot. You can share your email address. Gold also moved already high, so better you wait for a pullback and then you can buy. So you wait for the buy signal. So Soham, I gave you access, B I gave access. Mm, Yeah, Naveen, I gave you the access. So once I give the access, you have to just log out and log in. And then if you go to invite only, if you go here, click on the indicators, and then you click on the invite only. Then you will see all the scripts. Then if you click on them once, they will get added to your chart. I am also sharing the main future symbols, so you can click on this link, and then all those stickers, all those symbols will come into your trading view. So ES is dropping more, NQ is dropping more. So every sell signal is a good opportunity to short NQ. For personal accounts, there is nothing like offers. So this is called Trading View. On Trading View, we have our custom software, which will help you to. If you already have three indicator plan, you have to tell me which one to remove so that I can give you tag and turn in place of one of the existing indicators. So Rajesh, I gave you the access. Give us some. Essential is enough. You can get the trading view essential. Right. You get essential plan and then you have to get the access to the indicators. Right? Because you are getting trading view. You pay $10 or something, you get the trading view plan, which will give you access to the trading view software. But to get our software, you will buy the three indicator plan. So Naveen ji, what is your trading view username? Yeah, silver also will be in replicant to SIL. Yes, so home you can share your screen. Yeah, just let me give some access to everyone, and then you can share your screen. Ram, I gave you access. Ravi Kiran, I gave you access. Naveen, I gave you access. You can import the TradingView watch list if you just click on the list I shared. That you can copy that into your TradingView. Yeah, Tarul, once you subscribe, then yeah, I'll help you with the setup. Krishna, I gave you access. Rajender, I gave you access. Yeah, Pradeep, if you subscribe on November 3rd, again on December 3rd, it will renew. Yeah, with a 6 month subscription, you get $1,000 worth of hotel savings card, 6 months or 1 year. Yeah, TNT is a low risk strategy for personal account. As I said, you have to just watch for the T5 confluence and TNT, and then you can yeah, hold the trade for 1 2 days. You can make one trade is good enough for you to make $1,000 $2,000. So if you subscribe to options plan, you won't get the indicators. You should have indicators plan to get the indicators. If you subscribe to options plan, you will just receive some alerts. But yeah, only if you subscribe to the indicators, then only you will have access. So even though So, if you're ready, you can share the screen. So, if anyone else got the subscription, so until end of today, you have that. You get a three indicator plan, you get $400 voucher. You get a five indicator plan, you get $500 hotel savings card. So it is like you're testing it for the free for 1 2 weeks. You can even just watch the live sessions. You can take in paper account. And once you gain the confidence, you can do in your real accounts. Yeah, if TNT gives a bear, TNT then only we'll take the trade. So even though it might be at top, it might go further up. So Taral, you have to give your username. You can put your trading username, then I'll give access. So if you have to use Taral, do you want a tag and turn or you want a FLM? FLM is more for active traders who want to do scalping. So if you are more of a swing trader, then tag and turn is a better one. So for example, let us say you got a tag and turn in 30 minutes. Right, let us take one example. So you got a tag and turn on, let us say ZS. Right. So here you got T5 is in sell signal. You got a sell signal with tag and turn also. It says TNT detected on ZS. So now you can take overnight trades on this. So you can take a trade, you can hold overnight. So by morning it will be somewhere at the bottom. You got ZT1 tag and turn detected. So you got a buy signal. T5 also buy signal. So you can take overnight trade. You can hold the position for overnight. Right? Or for NQES, if you have a buy or sell, then you can do micros because these commodities they will be a little slow. There won't be a lot of volatility. So for ZS or ZT, these ones, even if you take a mini also, that's okay for overnight. But for ES, NQ, GC, silver, they will be very volatile. So that's where instead of taking minis, you do a micro with ES or NQ. If you receive a SPX, sorry, tag and turn, TT5 is sell signal. So yeah, this is a good one to take a short for overnight trading. ZS1 soybean short. You got a bearish tag and turn. T5 is also dropping. So we should see you can put a target somewhere around 1129. Minimum it will drop till 1129. If it breaks this, then it will come all the way to the bottom. Yeah, every day I do live sessions, so you can once you understand how to take the trades, then you can do by yourself. But for first few days, you can watch the live sessions, why I am buying, why I am selling. So silver went to the top, but still we don't have the bearish tag and turn, right? So it is not that just if it goes to the top, it will start dropping. It may go to the top, but again it may go up further. So that's where we wait for a bearish tag and turn. That means when big companies start selling, then it will give a bearish tag and turn. That is where we'll enter the short. Otherwise, it may be only for little amount of time. There might be a small pullback. Again, it may go further up. So always you wait for the bearish tag and turn before you take the sell signal or short signal. So still silver is not ready for a short. Same thing, GC is also not ready for a short. GC may go further up. Yeah, so home you can share your screen. Uh, you join as a panelist.
Hey Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead. You can share your
Hey,
screen.
thanks. Hey, yeah, actually, that's wrong with my son's name, so it's showing up on the screen. But yeah, I'm Vishal. Uh, where was the screen share? I still don't see the option to screen share.
Did you join as panelist?
Yeah, I could see the audio on mute, but I cannot see the screen share over there. Spanish.
So anyone who got the access to the indicators, they can just follow same what Soham is. So what is your name? You mentioned
Vishal.
Vishal. Okay, whatever
Change
Vishal
my
is
name.
doing, you can
Right.
follow
So
the
let
same
me go
step.
ahead and do the screen share. Yeah, let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
So, yeah, I mean, I just joined today, right? So thanks a lot, Kishore. Appreciate all your hard work here. I also added the watch list. I think that the one that you shared, so it automatically comes here when I click that link, right? And,
So can you click on that link one more time?
okay, sure. Let me
And
go into that.
you have to. Did you save it as a watch list?
So this is the
Right.
this is
So
the
you have
link
to
that I click.
click on that. Yeah, click on make a copy.
Oh,
The-
okay.
no, no, just cancel this. So he in the left side, come little bit left. Yeah, no, below that Cyber Monday 80% off, you have make a copy.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, and then you can put whatever name you want. You can say, yeah,
Uh, okay, for now.
yeah.
Oh,
So now,
now,
yeah, now it got copied. Now you go into Trading View.
okay.
So now, yeah, you open list. Go to open list. Last option. There, yeah. So now you have all the
Got it.
stickers.
Okay, so whatever you are showing it on the screen for now, always on. Because of
Yeah,
that.
right,
Okay, great.
right.
Cool.
So second thing is if you want to get the real time data, do you have any prop account already or do you have any personal account?
I have a personal account on Fidelity, but it doesn't show up here.
Yeah,
In
Fidelity doesn't
trading
have
view,
AP.
it doesn't allow. So Tradeovate is the one I saw Tradeovate on your screen. So is that the best one to get to sign up for?
Right. Basically, if you buy a Tradeaway account from Apex or Ally Trader Fund or Take
Uh-huh.
Profit Trader, any of the prop firms, then basically you connect that to the trading view. Then basically you
Okay.
get all the real-time data. You don't need to buy data from trading view. When you connect any one of those prop firms,
Okay.
you
So
can,
first thing, step one would be to for me to go and subscribe to one of the prop firm, right?
right, if you want to trade in the prop firms. But if you want to trade in personal account, then you can open a personal account with TraderWeight or Ninja Trader or Tradier. Then you can,
Okay.
so based on whether you want to trade in personal account or prop firms.
Which one do you recommend? So again, I'm a full-time employee. I'm doing contracting work and the stuff. But my question here would be like, slowly I'm going to do more of the trading after I get, you know, uh,
Right. So you can start with a prop firms.
okay,
Once you gain confidence, because with prop firm your risk is only you're risking $30-40 for each account.
okay.
Once you gain confidence, then you can also take the same trades in prop accounts and also in the personal account. Then you are making money in both the ways.
So let me after this call, let me go ahead and open an account with the prop firm. So which one do you recommend to start with, or if you are new or beginner?
Yeah, if you're a beginner, you can take a 150K account with Apex. You can go to Apex and you select trade away. You open Apex website.
Sure.
Apex Trader Funding, apextraderfunding.com. Yeah. So here, if you go, you will see that scroll down. There are three types of brokerages they offer. You have wealth charts, you have rhythmic, and you have trader weight. So you have to select the trader weight plan.
Which one? Right? No. Well,
Yeah. If you
yes.
scroll down, you will see all the three are different options. Yeah, scroll further down.
After no.
So if you,
Okay.
yeah, this is wealth charts. Then this is rhythmic.
Yes.
No, you should not select these ones. You go to trader weight. Yeah, go further. Yeah, this is your select trader weight plan. So here
Okay.
you can get something like a 150K account. And then if you use a coupon code, they have 80% discount now until tomorrow, I think. Yeah.
Okay. And then this is something you pay per month.
But if you complete it within 1 month, then you don't need to pay again.
Oh, okay.
So, for
So you
example,
150K full, is that the one you recommend, right?
right. So there will be, you can enter this later, but there will be a promo code. You can enter save if you go further down. Yeah, when you try to subscribe, there will be a promo code option. Make sure you select save now. That will give
Save
you
now. Okay.
80%
Let
80%
me.
discount.
So once I do that, let's say I get it done today, then within the month's time, I need to
Yeah, you need to complete the target.
pass the evaluation or whatever that, right? I need to pass that.
Right. Once you pass it, then you will go to stage two. That is where you make the
Okay.
real money.
Okay. Oh, great. And will there be some help from you if I go with your session every day, like what the trade that you
Yeah,
do,
yeah.
if I
Every
get
day,
that here?
right. Every day we'll make $500-600. So yeah,
Okay.
within 1 2 weeks you will be able to complete it.
Awesome. So I'll go and subscribe to this one. Probably this might be true for everyone who is subscribed to your indicators. So once that is done, you know, you have some training videos or anything. I know you mentioned you have a lot of those videos on the YouTube, but specific, like to understand all those indicators, when to take a call, right, buy or sell, whatever it is. How do we, how we get educated ourselves with that?
Right. That's what if you watch today's morning, right? That's what I explained. If it is tag and turn, whenever you get a bullish tag and turn, you see whether
Okay.
T5 also giving a buy signal. Then
Okay.
you go for long. Or if you get a bearish tag and turn, if T5 also gives a sell signal, you go for a
Mhm.
short. In the
One
same
quick
way
thing.
for Mhm. Yeah,
No,
same
right?
thing for FLM. If the scanner is showing all green, then you mainly focus on the buy signals. Scanner is showing red for level and other things, RSI, then you mainly focus on the sell signals. So if you watch the session which I did today morning and this evening session, then basically you understand the strategies. And then once you watch for 2 3 days live sessions, then you'll become uh, comfortable with
Out
when
of
to
it,
buy,
right?
when to sell. Yeah. So your
Sounds
live
good. So
sessions
oh,
will help you to understand the strategy, when to buy, when to sell. Once you watch 2 or 3 days, then you can do by yourself.
okay. So all these sessions are in your YouTube channel, right? I think the one you have to share, right?
Right, every day, yeah, every day sessions will be recorded into YouTube channel. So today's
Okay.
morning
Even
is
this
already
one.
there. Yeah,
Okay.
this one also will be recorded in few minutes.
Okay, great. And uh, so basically, when I opened the account with the TradeAway through Apex, right? I had to fund the TradeAway to, you know, to all
No,
do
no.
all the trade, right?
If it is a prop account, you don't need to do any funding or anything. You only pay that
Okay.
40 or $50. Then basically they are giving you an account. Once you prove that you can make the profits, then they will give you the stage two account where you make the real profits.
Okay.
Only if you want to open a personal account, that is where you have to fund those accounts. But if it is a prop account, you don't need to do any funding.
Okay. Because I'm doing a personal on the Fidelity and other stuff, right? So, but Fidelity, it doesn't, trading it doesn't allow you on the Fidelity. So my question here would be like all those signals that I see here, then I can take those trades into my personal account, which I already have one, right?
You're right.
So I'll
But
take
but
these as a,
initially, right, because your risk with a prop firm is only $30 $40. So even if you make
right.
some mistakes, right,
Mhm.
sometimes you may not watch the confluence with T5 or other things. You may just to
Yes.
look at buy signals. So initially, we all make mistakes. So that's where
Yes.
you start with a prop firm. Your risk is minimal. When you become comfortable understanding when to buy, when to sell, that is where you can also start taking into your Fidelity and your personal accounts.
Okay, great. Thanks for that recommendation. And so right now, just go ahead and open one prop account, which you talked about, the FX one. Is there any other prop account that you recommend so that you get you can put the same trades on both the prop account and then you can evaluate quicker and go to the
Yeah,
stage two.
there are other companies like Bullnox, and there are a lot more. There are 30 40 companies. You can copy the same trade into multiple, but always better you start with one once you gain, because you also need another software called Replicanto for copy trading.
Okay,
So that's where once you gain confidence, that is where you buy a few more accounts. You buy that Replicanto software, which you can copy into one account. Right within Apex itself, they will give you 20 accounts. So it is not that. So within Apex itself, you can complete evaluation in 20 accounts at same time. Again,
understood.
Bullnox will give you 10 accounts or 7 accounts. Elite Trader Fund will give you some 10 accounts. Take Profit Trader will give you 5 accounts, like that. So same trade, whatever you do, you can copy into multiple accounts, multiple companies. So, but yeah, initially you start slow. Once you gain confidence, then you can scale up as much as you want.
Sounds good. Cool. And usually, how long does this evaluation take? Couple of, I mean, is there a minimum period, number of days that one needs to trade before you get to the stage two?
No, there is nothing like. Again, there are some companies where you have to trade for minimum 5 days, right? For example, take Profit Trader. You cannot
Okay.
make all the uh, target within one day.
Mm-hmm.
But companies like Apex, if you have a nice bullish day or bearish day, for example, tomorrow if ES and NQ continue to drop, even within one day also you can complete it. Then next day you will get the stage two account.
Okay. So nighttime, you only deal with the future. I guess you mentioned that, right, in your
Right.
session.
Generally during this 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central, we only focus on future trades. Whereas in the morning time, we mainly focus on ST trading.
And this prop account is basically for the future stuff. Did I understand correctly then?
Yeah, these prop firms,
Okay.
mainly US prop firms, are for futures.
So this is not for options or any other thing, right? For the stocks,
That is right.
just the futures.
Just for
Okay.
futures. Yeah.
Now the screen that I saw on your side, right, while you're doing a demo or live session that usually, I don't see the same screen on my side. Is there something I'm missing here? I have the five indicators.
You have to, one is you change the layout to back, you right click on the screen, go to settings, and then go to canvas. Vinay, I gave you access to your replicanter. You can,
Total points.
you go to background, the first option. Don't change that, just change the color from yeah, white to black. Right, and then text is there, right? Come down. The text you can change it to white color. Yeah, you can say okay. And then this T5, if you want, you can move it to the top. You have a top up arrow. Yeah. So come down, go to right,
Oh,
scroll down a little bit. Yeah, you see that up arrow, the first option. Go, yeah, no, go,
oh this is, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
If you move it, then it will go to the top. So
Okay. So I click that.
yeah, you can give me access.
Sure. Right.
So generally, either you use FLM or you use tag and turn.
Okay.
So if you use everything together, you might it might be a little confusing.
Got it.
So generally, every day morning, I send a notepad file which will have all the levels. You can copy paste them tomorrow morning,
Okay.
and then generally we use the intraday level, momentum, and
Mhm.
strength. So that will tell you which ones are bullish, which ones are bearish. For now, you can have momentum and strength. Tomorrow morning, you can use this combination.
What time does the morning call start? So you will put that on the chat, right? When the call starts.
Generally, for options, we start around 9:30 Central.
Okay.
First half an hour, 45 minutes. We wait for market to settle down, and then we take the trades. But yeah, mainly if it is for futures, then evening 8 to 9 is good enough. If you also want to trade options, then morning times.
Okay. How do I set all those alerts here, like, based on the indicators? I think I saw that on your live session.
So you can go to this alert, click on this alert,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can, for example, FLM.
Okay.
So you can say, okay, swing by, or if you want a strong buy or strong sell combo, then you can create an alert. So that means whenever you get a strong buy, you will receive a notification here. So whenever GC gives a strong buy, you can go to the log. Here it will show that okay, you received a strong buy or you received a strong sell. Like that, you can create an alert. So first thing is you go and select the For example, you want to create an alert on the tag and turn.
Mm.
Then you use 30 minutes as your time frame. Then you select TNT combo once per bar close. Click on create. Then so whenever GC gives a bullish tag and turn or bearish tag and turn, you will receive an alert. In the same way you want to do it on SPX. Then you click on SPX. Then whenever SPX gives a bullish or bearish, you will receive a notification. Then immediately you can go ahead and take a signal.
This alert will always be on the app, so it's not SMS or something, right?
Yeah, you will receive it on your mobile phone, all those things. You can
So
set
that's
to receive the alerts. Uh, you can put it will come to your email address. So if you go here, you have notifications. So you can put send email, then you will also receive in the email. And also you will receive a text notification on your mobile phone. So whenever you receive it, immediately you just check the confluence. You can enter the trade.
why work or something like that. So I can execute a trade. I think. Great. So I have a couple of stocks, probably around 20, 30 stocks in my utility. So is there a way that I can import not the stocks but the list like tickers basically? Can I import those tickers from there to here so that the alerts can start showing up for that list, or do I need to enter it individually?
Where do
So
you have those 30 tickers?
but it's in video.
It's in Fidelity.
Yeah. Is there a way I can import just the ticker symbols?
If it is in Fidelity, you cannot do it. Uh, but you
So
have to
only the
do one.
platform that
Yeah, you have to do one by one. Uh, but if you want, I can share my stocks, major S&P top 100 NQ top 100 stocks. If you want, you can import that list. That will have all the major stocks
oh that
which
would be
will have.
nice. Yeah, I think I might have a lot of those common.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have anything else, you can just easy to delete them.
Okay. So, yeah, can share that, that'd be great.
Yeah, I copied that into the chat. So the
Oh,
first one is the futures list. The second one is the major Nasdaq and S&P top 100 stocks. So they are good stocks for main options.
can add these to the same watch list, right? Is there you
Right.
can create multiple watch lists, or
You can create multiple watch lists here.
anything else that you think as a beginner, some that
No,
need to take
just
care?
watch today's morning session and this evening session. I'll upload in some time. Just if you watch these two sessions, I explained you two strat. One is a swing strategy where we use 30-minute time frame, tag and turn, and
Okay.
T5 confluence. That is, if you want to take low risk trades where you don't need to watch the chart for long duration. The
Sure.
second strategy is using the FLM or RLM along with the scanner. That is where you want to do quick scalping. Just you want to spend 30-40 minutes, make $400-$500 quickly, and then done for the day. Then that strategy is good. We either use strategy one if you're a swing trader. You use strategy two if you are more of a day trader or scalper. The second strategy which we did now is good one.
But now the main focus for me and anyone who has subscribed now would be to get the evaluation done quickly with the prop one, right? So with that, keeping that in mind, like
Right, that's what. So
what do
the
you
tag and turn strategy is mainly for the personal account. So you take one trade, you make 500, $600.
okay?
You are without watching the charts for long duration. That is
Yeah,
good for personal accounts. Whereas the second strategy, this FLM or RLM along with scanner That is a good strategy for prop firms to complete the evaluation within 1 week to 10 days. That is the so yeah, based on whether you want to trade personal accounts or prop firms, your strategy will be different. Or whether you want to do swing trading, where you don't want to spend a lot of time on charts, or you want to do quick scalping and day trading, where 1 hour, 1.5 hour you spend and then you're done for the day. So mainly, if you're a prop firm trader, then mainly this 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. central sessions will be good enough. If you are more of a options trader or swing trader, then whenever you receive the alert on SPX tag and turn, that is where you enter the trades.
And once I subscribe to this, what's it called? Uh, Tradeaway, right? Yeah. So once I subscribe to that, I can do the trading right from this app itself, right? This is the desktop app that I installed for the
That
trading
is
view.
it. Yeah, from
So I
trading
can
view,
on I think on the
you can connect to that prop firm. Right. Once you get
okay,
the prop firm, I'll show you how to connect them tomorrow.
okay,
And then
okay,
yeah, whenever you take the trades in trading view, the same trades will go and get copied into your prop firm.
okay.
Yeah, you can directly, so just like I'm doing, you can directly do it on TradingView app.
So no need to switch between the apps. That will be hmm, that's more comfortable. Oh, sounds good. I don't have any other questions, but thanks a lot. Sure. And I'll connect back with you tomorrow. I'll get all these things done and I'll just thank you.
Yeah, sure, Vishal. Yeah, wish you all the best. Just yeah, follow the rules. So it
Yeah.
is all based on rule-based strategy. So just yeah, keep following the rules.
Yeah.
You'll be
If there's any other list of any other sessions that you think appropriate for me or any other beginner to go over outside of this current one and the today's morning one, please do provide that list. You think this might add more value, and we can, you know,
sure.
learn much faster. Then please do provide that list because there are so many videos out there. It get lost.
Yeah, that's where
Which one
these
will be
live
more
sessions
important?
will help you. So instead of
Okay.
watching so many sessions, just if you watch 2 or 3 days live sessions, that
Okay.
will give you a good idea before you trade by yourself. Just to join the yeah,
Yeah. I'll do it. Cool. Thanks a lot, Vishal. Appreciate it.
sure, Vishal. Yeah. Srikanth, do you have any questions?
Not the question, Kishore. Can I have a SPX tag enter? You can remove the XPX credit spread from me.
Yeah, what is your username?
I'm just pinging you.
Yeah, Srikanth. Yeah, I gave the access. You can log out and log in.
Yeah. Thanks, Kishore.
Sure. Satish, do you want to share your screen? Satish, are you going to share your screen? Yeah, Pradeep, do you have any questions?
Action. So, can you add to the tag and turn? Sure. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Satish, please go ahead. Yeah. You can give me the access to your system. So Satish, which plan you subscribed?
I selected a 5 indicators.
5 indicator plan. The coupon for FX trading is save now. SAVE NOW. So Satish, do you have any prop firm accounts? History, what is your username?
Satish, SATASH underscore Chowdhury
Yeah, no,
CHOURL.
no. Yeah,
Okay.
for you, I gave access to all the indicators. So you have futures level
Okay.
manager, futures scan, T5, price pulse, tag and turn. So if you want to mainly do swing trading, you use tag and turn along with T5. If you want to do day trading or scalping, then these indicators will help you. Futures level, futures scan, price pulse. So as of
Yeah.
now, yeah, I selected everything. Just you follow the live session for 2 3 days, then you can do trading by yourself.
So the right side there is a table you are creating which one I can buy, and which one. So can you create a
So
table?
yeah,
There is a
future.
yeah, like that, yeah.
Yeah. That will help you to identify which ones are bullish, which ones are bearish. Yeah, every day I share a notepad file. You have to just come here every
Okay.
day morning around 7 a.m. Central. Then you have to just copy paste those note. Just open the notepad, do a control A, control C, come here and do control V. And then it will tell
Okay.
you whether it is level 1, level 2, level 3 like that. So if everything is
Okay.
green, they are good for bullish. If
Okay.
everything is the first two columns are red, that means they are mainly good for the sell signal, sell opportunities.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Pradeep, what is your username?
I sent you Kishore then, right?
Okay. I think I already gave you the access, but let me check one more time. Yeah, you can log out and log in. You will see tag and turn.
Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, Raj, I added tag and turn. You can log out and log in. Sri, I gave you the access. You can log out and log in to TradingView. You'll see all the indicators. Yeah, Kushi, it is better you get essential plan in TradingView. Yeah, Venkat, please go ahead. Do you have any questions, Venkat?
Yeah, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question. Actually, November last year, I enrolled for 6 months plan. That expired in May. Then I renewed it. I mean, 5 indicator plan.
Okay.
Immediately after like 1 month, then I extended it for 1 year, paying another 6 months plan. So, however, what I see yesterday is there is another charge on my credit card for 6 months. So I sent an DM to you. Please go through that and actually refund me that whatever that has been charged today.
So if there is any duplicate payment, you'll receive the. Yeah, I'll refund it.
Yeah, please see the DM. And also, I requested for tag and turn access. Could you please give that to me as well?
Now, what is your username? TradingView username?
SVPUNI.
Yeah, I gave the access. You can log out and log in.
Yeah, thanks, Kishore. Please go through my DM and respond. Thank you.
Sure, yeah. Sridhar, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore Karu. Yeah. Actually, I joined just 1 hour before I paid them. Could you to give me the access and help
Yeah,
me to set?
what is your TradingView username?
Sridhar 46.
That's it.
Yeah.
So which plan you got access?
5 indicator plan.
Okay. Yeah, I gave the access. You can log out and log in.
Yeah, checking. Okay.
Yeah, Christian, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore. Yeah, I was looking for a tag and turn indicator, but seems like SPX tag and turn got added.
Yeah,
Just
basically
now I
both are
missed.
same. Yeah. Tag and turn
Sorry?
or SPX tag and turn or tag and turn, both are same.
Oh, okay.
You
Okay.
can use them. Mainly SPX is the best one, but once you gain confidence with SPX, then you can do with NDX, RUT, or Nvidia, Tesla, any stocks with good liquidity.
Oh, okay. So it's for any stocks, so we can use the same thing,
Yes, yeah.
and the futures as well, or is it
You,
different?
no, you can use for futures also. You look for T5 confidence. If you get
Okay.
a tag and turn and you have T5 confidence, then you can use for stocks, futures, anything.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Kishore, where can I check this one? And
You
just
can, you can
it,
share yours.
yeah, sure. Yeah, I just logged out and logged in.
Yeah, you can share the screen. We cannot see your screen.
Oh, sorry for that. Yeah, I just shared.
Yeah, you can give me the access.
Uh, One thing, Kishore, like earlier also I paid for a couple of plans for options and all the stuff. What is the best way to reach you? Like your email ID or
Yeah, my email ID is kishore.ramraju@gmail.com. I'm copying it in the Zoom chat.
okay, yeah. Thank you.
And
And
also, we have this live session. So at the end of session, if you have any questions, also you can.
yeah, Sure, and yeah.
Yeah, so your screens are ready. You can start taking the trades. For first 2 3 days, you watch when I am taking the trades. After that, you can do by yourself.
Sure. Thank you, Andy.
Sure, yeah. So,
Actually, I have subscribed to the Tech Profit account. So, I mean,
yeah, that is fine. That is a good company. Only thing is, take profit is little expensive. So,
yeah, I watched your YouTube video and I took
yeah,
that one. But the
yeah.
challenge for now is I need to complete that 3000, right? I took the 50K one. So I
Uh,
think there's some condition that we need to make like half of the amount, like 1500, and
and
then,
what they are saying is you cannot do all 3,000 in one day or like that. So, maximum you can do is 1,500 in one day. But you
okay,
can take 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. As long as you do within 1 month, then you don't need to pay again.
okay, sure. I hope
So,
your live sessions will help me to get
uh,
out of this
yeah,
one. Yeah.
every day just yeah, follow this during this time, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So today,
Okay.
because we have a lot of new members, so yeah, it is yeah. But any member who are done with the trading, they can yeah, they don't need to stay on the line. But otherwise, generally within 15 20 minutes, we'll be most of the days we'll be done with our $500 600 target.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. And earlier I subscribed to your options trading, but yeah, I think because I may need more learning kind of thing, so I got out of that plan now. Hopefully, this will help me now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, Kushi, I gave you the access. Manish, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, can you please give me the access for the tag and turn indicator?
Yeah, your username is Manu Master, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I gave the access. You can log out
Okay.
and log.
Thank you, Kishore.
Sure. Sanju, do you have any questions?
Kishore Garu, I need help in updating my replicant and
Yeah,
I submitted the form.
can you put it in the Zoom chat?
Yeah, I already have that. So let me copy paste that again.
Yeah, you can just close your Ninja Trader, restart it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kishore, you told me one thing, right? To update that daily code. So for that, what should I
Yeah.
do?
Every day morning, I send you a notepad file.
Okay.
Then you have to
Where you
just
in that Telegram channel?
in the Telegram channel. You
Okay,
have to
okay,
copy paste those levels and copy into that MTFF and FLM.
okay. So I need to go to this indicators and I need to update there, right?
Right. Yeah. It will take less than 10 seconds.
Okay, okay. So I need to go to the invite only and then I need to edit that code, right? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Ravi, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm looking for this tag and turn. Just want to
Yeah,
try
what is your username?
Ravikiran _ Manda. Just
Yeah,
pinged
yeah.
in chat.
Yeah, I already gave you the access. You have to log out and log in. You will see the indicator.
I log out and log in.
To trading
See,
view.
yeah, trading.
And then you go to invite only. You will see that SPX tag and turn.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Sure. Naveen, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hello, sir. Hi. I received the tag and turn access. So basically, I'm a beginner. For SPX, I was asking a question like, I want to open an account with a small, minimal amount of personal account. Can you suggest? Can you provide the details?
You can open in the Tradier.
Oh, we can do in that SPX also.
No, it is not Tradify. Tradify is for futures, but Tradier is a brokerage account for personal futures or personal options. You can do stocks, options, futures.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Taral, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, hi. I set up the signals that you have shared. Okay. Can you just quickly check once like everything is set up properly on my trading view, and then also what does this breakout mean on?
Breakout means it is going up than the previous resistance. That means it is bullish as of now. But after multiple breakouts, there is a possible for a reversal. So breakout means basically it broke the previous resistance.
Okay, got it.
So on silver, gold, it is breaking the previous resistance, but you wait for the until you get a bearish tag and turn. Don't enter a short. Yeah, do you want to share your screen?
1 second. Okay. Can you, can you see my screen?
No, not it.
Come on. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I can see now. So yeah, T5 is looking good. SPX is looking good. Future scanner, yeah. Yeah, only thing is, yeah, if you want to do quick scalping or day trading, you can also make that 3 minute, 5 minutes as your favorites. Yeah, you can just select that, yeah, three as favorite, five as favorite. So for swing trading, you use 30 minutes. For day trading or scalping, you use 3 minutes or 5 minutes. 3 minutes in the non-US market and 5 minutes in the US market.
Okay, so looking at this SPX, I think the last TNT was November 21. And then
Yeah,
we don't see.
tomorrow we'll see a
Mhm.
bearish. So that's where ES is already dropping. So tomorrow we'll see a bearish tag and turn with SP.
So that is a good time to enter. If I don't want
Sure.
to do a put spread, can I just do just puts?
Yeah, you can also do puts. You have high risk and high reward when you do naked puts. If you do bear calls, your risk is minimal.
Hmm. Got it. Okay.
right? As long as it stays below that 68.50 or 68.60 by next 2-3 days, you can keep all that money. When you buy a put and if it stays choppy, right? Again, the chances are very less for SPX to stay choppy for 3-4 days. So yeah, you can still do naked puts.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And how
You,
about this red line and the bottom green line? What does that indicate?
that means that is support and resistance. If it is going above that resistance, that means there is a possibility for a reversal.
Okay.
The green means support, red means resistance.
Okay. Okay. And these signals will also work on any of the stock or any of the other tickers, right?
Right, but basically because SPX has good liquidity, always there will be a nice move. There's some
Mhm.
stocks might be very choppy, might be in a consolidation for long duration. Whereas SPX, because you have a lot of liquidity, there will be a big move either upside or downside every day. So that's where generally you start with SPX. Once you gain confidence, then you do RUT and DX. You don't have any problem with assignment of stocks.
Got it.
It's
Yeah,
completely
makes sense.
cash settled. So the risk is minimal when you do with SPX.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. I mean, I'll mainly use this signals to trade from my personal account. I don't have a prop as of now. I'll just try for this one and then maybe go from there.
Right.
All right, sure. Thanks. Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah. Abhi, do you have any questions?
Thank you, Chef. No questions, but just wanted to request access to Tag and Turn.
Which plan you have?
6-month plan.
What is your username?
Abhinav_AX99. I could put it in the chat. I put it in the chat, Kishore.
Okay. Yeah, Ram and Abhinav, I gave the access. You have to just log out and log back in. And
Okay.
go to
Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, check under invite only. You'll see.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Bharati, do you have any questions?
Can you able to hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I can able to see the indicator. So I just subscribed a few minutes back, and I got the access to. So I'm trying to um link my prop firm. Like, how do I do it?
Can you share your screen? So, did you buy the prop account already?
No, I'm at I'm at two.
Yeah, once you complete it, then I can show you tomorrow, or I'll send a setup video in the channel. You can also watch that. That will tell you all the steps.
Okay, can you tell again? I think I just can fall back and I connected. Which video are you referring to?
There is a setup video. If you go to YouTube, Right Choice Advisors channel, there is a you search on
Sure.
setup. So
Okay, okay, sure, okay,
that video will show you all the steps on how to connect.
okay, great. Okay. Sure, and thanks, Anil.
Sure. Yeah.
I'll do that.
Yeah. So I gave the access to everyone. So Sri, do you want to share your screen?
Hi, Kishore. Sridhar here.
Just a minute. Sarai, do you have any questions?
Sure, Sridhar here. So I have a 5 indicator annual plan. Can I get access to tag and turn, please?
What is your username? Can you paste it in the Zoom chat?
Yeah, I posted it. 1 second, let me do it again.
Sri, can you go to indicators? Click on indicators. Go to invite only. Can you do a refresh? So I gave you the access here.
Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah.
Kishore, this is Satish. Could you please provide me to the tag and turn indicator?
I think I already did.
I don't have that one.
Can you share your screen one more time?
Yeah, sure.
Go to indicators. Click on indicators. So if you see that SPX tag and turn,
Oh,
click.
this one. But okay, I mean, I thought is the tag and turn is it tells about the buy and sell like that indicator.
Yeah, once you click on that, it will get added to your chart. Yeah, click on
Oh,
that, and then yeah, close this, and then you go to 30 minutes. Yeah, and then it will give you when to buy, when to sell. So if you get a bearish tag and turn,
okay.
then you can.
Okay, got it. Got it.
No, it is at the top. Just give me controls.
Kishore garu, could you help set up on the TIFY Confluence also for me? I think I don't see it on screen.
Now you have T5 at the top. So for here, right here, you got a bearish tag and turn. You got T5 sell signal. There is a huge
Okay.
drop on ES. Yeah, you can just save this one. So it will. Yeah. Navin, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi Kishore. So I changed my laptop from Mac to Windows, and I'm trying to set up this replicant, the Ninja Trader. In Mac, my old Mac, when I created the Windows space, it was having the old version of Ninja Trader. Now it is, I have installed the latest version. When I'm trying to import that add-in, it keeps giving me an error message. Can I share the screen?
Yeah, sure, Navin. So did you, in the Google Drive, I kept two different versions for Replicanto, one for the latest and one for the old Ninja Trader. So did you install the latest one?
Yeah, I
Latest.
installed the latest one directly from the
Okay, you can share the screen.
share. So this is the error message that I keep getting.
So yeah, I think the latest Ninja Trader has some bugs. Generally, it is better you use the old one.
Okay, how can I go back to the old one?
You go to that website and go to Ninja Trader website.
Okay, go to the Ninja Trader and okay.
Yeah, they will have the previous version. You can install the previous version.
Okay, so that would still be good, right? To continue?
Yeah, we can still do it.
Okay, I'll try the old version and see that. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you, Kishore. And I'll install the old version and then copy, import the file from that
From the Google
add-in.
Drive.
Yeah, I changed the mission ID already. So I'll import the file from add-in and I'll start seeing the flowbot.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I'll try now.
Sure. Yeah, Sridhar, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. The T5 confluence setup for the SPX.
Yeah, can you share the screen?
Sure.
So now you are in 30 minutes. Tomorrow morning we'll see a sell signal on T5 and we'll see a bearish tag and turn.
Oh, okay.
So then you can do the bear calls on SPX.
Okay, sure.
So if you go to ES, can you go to ES? ES or NQ or any future sticker. So now you can see that you got a bearish tag and turn. T5 also at the top you have a sell signal. Right? That red dot means sell from T5.
Okay, yeah.
And then you got a bearish tag and turn at the same time. So
Here,
if you
right?
see, no, at the top you see bear TNT. No, in the second chart. So the top chart is for T5. In the second chart you see the bear TNT.
Oh, yeah, here, right? Okay.
Right. Yeah. At the same time you got T5. That is the best. So at the same time you are getting bearish tag and turn T5 sell. That is a very good opportunity to go short. So just
Okay.
with one trade in a personal account, you would have made $800,000 with one contract.
Oh, yeah, but this is the time, right? Not now, right?
Yeah, now it went all the way to the bottom. Now again we may get a bullish tag and turn or something. So yeah, generally whenever you see that bearish tag and turn, either the first candle or second candle, that is the time to enter. Now already it dropped so much. So
Okay.
again it may go a little bit up and again drop further. So we wait for a pullback now.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And you said overnight there is one stock for
Yeah,
long.
it is ZS.
See. Okay.
The ZS is also for short.
Mm-hmm.
That also we got a tag and bearish tag and turn.
Okay.
So no, it is not Z scalar. You have to do ZS1 hyphen, that is for futures. Yeah.
Oh,
So it's soybean futures.
this one.
Yeah. So there you can see.
What is the difference, sir, for this? I mean, GS1 and this one, exclamatory one. It's a macros.
Generally, if you have one and exclamatory, those are future symbols. ZS means that is only a stock. The scalar is a stock. You cannot do generally all these prop firms, you do futures trading.
Mm-hmm.
So here you can see T5, you got a sell signal, you got a bearish tag and turn.
Yeah.
So then it kept on dropping. So
Oh.
yeah. So whenever you get that bearish tag and turn with T5 signal, that is a good opportunity to short.
Mm.
If you
This,
get a bullish tag, yeah.
it is also dropped, so we need to wait for the pullback or.
Yeah, it already dropped big, so better you wait for
Okay.
pullback or wait for a bullish tag and turn. If you get a bullish tag and turn and buy signal on T5, again it will go up.
Mm.
Yes. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So if we follow this tag and turn strategy for swing trading, you can hold, right? And when I started the session, I told you this is a good one for short. So even this would have given you $300-400 if you shorted at the open. Or the second strategy is mainly for scalping trade trading. If you're an active trader, then that FLM, that strategy is good. Otherwise, you're a swing trader. Whenever you get a bullish or bearish tag and turn, you can do. Yeah, Vivi, do you want to share your screen? So you added one more account and you want to add that in the replicanter.
You can hear me well, right?
We cannot hear you. Yeah, we cannot hear you, Vivi.
Hear me now?
Can you be a bit louder? We can hear you, but not clear.
Kishore, am I audible now?
Yeah, now it is better. So what is your exact request? What is that you want to do?
So I do have a second account, Apex One. First one, take profit trader, and we did walk through that Ninja Trader setup last time.
Okay,
Now
go
I
to connections.
connections. Okay.
Did you create a separate connection? Go to connections tab.
Yeah, I didn't see the option to the only two things I
Okay,
see.
you have to go to tools
Tools. Okay.
and then options. Go to settings. That multi-provider, you have a checkbox, right? You have to check that.
Okay.
Yeah, say apply. Yeah, say okay. Say okay. Now you go to connections. Yeah, now you can do configure, and you, yeah, at the top you select NinjaTrader. Scroll down.
Scroll down, NinjaTrader.
You have a scroll bar there. Scroll bar.
Oh,
Click on that scroll bar. No, no, under available here. So you have NinjaTrader. Double click on it, and then yeah, in the connection name you can give it as Apex.
the
Change the
connection.
name from My NinjaTrader to Apex,
Okay.
and then you can select the connect on startup, and then you can copy paste that username password from your Apex dashboard.
So on Apex also, I just want to make sure I got the right account. What's this wealth charts? And there is
Yeah, you should not buy wealth charts or Rhythmic. Uh, Only trade-away accounts you can use with Replicanter.
so this is a waste investment right now, or they will allow me to switch?
You can try, but generally they don't allow. You can ask them to switch to, but yeah. So if you go to the home page, you will see you have wealth charts is one option, Rhythmic is one option, trade-away is one option. If you buy trade-away, then you can combine as many accounts as you want.
Okay.
So, uh, so if you have go to the last one, trade-away.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So this is where I have to buy the new accounts and add them
Right.
in.
Right, yeah, you can. Then they will give you a credential here.
Got it. Got it.
Then you copy paste that username password. Then you can combine as many accounts as you want.
Perfect. Okay. Sounds good. So this one is just wasted, right? The one I have right
Yeah, yeah, you can try it, raising a request, ask them, but
now. What is this one about anyway? Wealth charts? This is to
that
work
is
with
another that
platform?
is another brokerage. Yeah, similar to TradeAway, wealth
Gotcha.
charts, Rhythmic, they are different brokerages,
Okay. All right.
but you cannot use them with Replicant.
So the next step for me is to get some accounts here uh, and then add them
Mm.
back in.
Right, in the Ninja connections, you can add them. So whenever you take a trade in TradingView, the same trade will get copied into all these ones.
So if I take like say 10 100K accounts,
Hmm.
if I just give the username and password, my
Yeah,
trade will
then
get
it will pull all the accounts. You have to just create one connection for each company.
okay. Okay. And I would have the option to disable some if I want to. Out of the 10
Yes.
accounts, I only want to trade on 5 for
Hmm.
now.
Yeah, you
Okay.
will have enough. So once you add this one, then you have to go to the flow box, and then you can select which child accounts, which ones you want to copy like that. You
So
don't
the
need to
shop
copy into all
is
the.
go ahead.
Yeah. So once you
The
do
shop
this,
sorry, I'm yeah, stepping on you. Go ahead.
yeah, no, yeah. Once you buy the accounts, I can help you with the replicanter setup.
Sounds good. And this shop account, this is Charles Shop one, and it's if I have a personal one, I would be able to set this up too.
Yes, yeah,
Okay, that's all. Thanks, Kisha.
sure, yeah. Yeah. Bye everyone. So you can watch first 30 minutes of this session, and then 30 minutes of morning session. Bharti, I suggest Apex is the better one. Puridia is little expensive. So when you start initially, you trade with a lower cost accounts. Once you gain confidence, you can go with Take Profit Trader, Puridia, and others, which are more expensive. But yeah, initially for practice purpose, you can use this Apex or a Light Trader fund, which are less expensive.
That
Minimum once you
100K, 297, right? Like that's the one.
No, you will get with save 80, you get 80% discount. So you'll pay approximately $50-$60.
Okay,
The,
sure.
the coupon code you have to mention save now.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Silver, yeah, if it is a personal account, you can hold it overnight. Yeah, bye everyone. Good night and talk to you in the morning again.